We're going to take a look at the SanDisk Sansa clip zip MP3 player. The contents of the box includes the MP3 player, software, quick start guide, an offer, another offer, and yet another offer, earphones, and a USB cable. You've got your power button on top. On the left side, you've got your USB port and a volume control. On the right side, you've got a slot for a micro SD card and your earphone jack, and the convenient clip. The main menus include settings, music, radio, books, voice recorder, SD card contents, and a stopwatch. Under settings include options for music, repeat and shuffle, audiobooks, you can speed up the playback, podcast option, also speed it up if you like, different radio options, and system settings, equalizer, replay gain, language options, menu looping, change the date or time, volume, information, USB mode, format, restore. The background option allows you to turn album cover art on or off. You got an option for the backlight timeout, brightness of the screen, power saver, and sleep mode. In the music menu, you can shuffle list, view recently added content, view content by artist, view content by album, view by song, genre, and other options as well. The Sansa clip zip is available in 7 different colors and retails for around $50.